Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got an amazing tutorial for you on how to remove unwanted objects or people from your photos using AI. First, fire up your Chrome browser. Click Drop AI into the search bar. And hits Enter. Clicks on the first link in the search results. Once you're on the Click Drop AI website, head over to the Tools section and click on Cleanup. Select an image from the computer. Now, it's time to choose the image you want to edit. I'll select this one here. Once you've selected your image, you'll see the Eraser tool. Use it to remove any unwanted objects or people from your photo. Now, click on Clean to process your edits. Let's give it a minute to work its magic. And boom! Let's check out the result. So there you have it, folks. A simple and free way to remove unwanted elements from your photos using AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time!